Ever wondered how some women seem to effortlessly capture a man's heart, leaving him utterly captivated and craving more? Imagine transforming a casual interest into a deep obsession where he's constantly thinking about you. Today, we're unveiling the ultimate strategies to make him deeply fascinated and wholly captivated by you. The psychology behind his obsession. To truly capture his attention, it's crucial to understand the psychological dynamics at play. What makes a man deeply fascinated isn't merely physical attraction. It's about creating an irresistible allure that resonates with his deepest desires and emotional needs. Here's what drives obsession: the initial spark. This is the compelling combination of physical allure, captivating personality, and that enigmatic chemistry that ignites the initial attraction. It's not just about looking good, but also about projecting confidence and an intriguing personality that makes him want to learn more about you. Craving novelty. Our brains are wired to seek out new and stimulating experiences. To keep him fascinated, become the source of novelty and excitement in his life. This means introducing him to new activities, sharing unexpected interests, or even surprising him with spontaneous gestures that keep the relationship fresh and thrilling. Balancing familiarity with surprise. While novelty is important, familiarity and comfort are equally crucial. Striking the right balance means being someone he can rely on for stability, while also keeping him on his toes with surprises and new experiences. This dynamic creates a compelling mix of predictability and excitement that keeps him hooked. Loving these tips? If you're enjoying this content and want more insightful strategies to enhance your relationships, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is invaluable in helping us bring you more content that enriches your love life. Armed with these principles, let's delve into 7 powerful techniques to make him obsess over you. 4. Make him feel valued. To deepen your connection, ensure he feels truly valued and appreciated. It's not just about grand gestures, but also the small, everyday acts that show you care. Compliment him sincerely, celebrate his successes, and be his emotional rock. By consistently demonstrating that he is cherished, you strengthen his attachment and loyalty. 5. Showcase your intelligence. Physical attraction might draw him in initially, but it's your intellectual depth that will keep him intrigued. Engage in meaningful conversations that challenge and stimulate him. Share your passions and insights, and let him see your intellectual side. Intelligent discourse not only fascinates, but also builds mutual respect and admiration. 6. Cultivate emotional intimacy. True intimacy goes beyond physical connection. It's about fostering a deep emotional bond. Create a safe space where both of you can share your fears, dreams, and vulnerabilities. Engage in activities that bring you closer, such as thoughtful conversations, shared experiences, and quality time together. This emotional closeness will enhance the depth of your relationship. 7. Maintain an air of mystery. An element of mystery can greatly enhance your allure. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Instead, let him discover different facets of your personality over time. Share your passions and hidden talents gradually, maintaining an aura of intrigue that keeps him eager to uncover more about you. Bonus tip: elevate your presence. While inner qualities are vital, presenting yourself well can also heighten your appeal. Focus on self-care. Maintain healthy skin, well-kept hair, and a pleasant scent. It's about showing confidence and self-respect, which naturally draws others to you. Your attention to personal grooming reflects a sense of self-worth and will undoubtedly catch his eye. Additional insight: build a shared vision. Creating a shared vision for the future can deepen your connection. Discuss your dreams, goals, and aspirations, and find common ground. This not only strengthens your bond, but also aligns your lives in a way that makes him feel that you are truly his perfect partner. Embrace these techniques with authenticity and watch as he becomes increasingly enchanted by you. Thank you for exploring the secrets of irresistible attraction with us. For more tips and updates, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.